Hello and welcome for the 12 days of holidays with Prima and Finnabair. Today I'm creating some easy and quick Christmas or holidays tags. We celebrate Independence Day here in Finland today, so I chose the theme to be vintage Finnish one. Of course, I had also to use a printed photo of Tauno Palo, the Finnish actor. I am using today these Prima tags, but you can easily adapt the idea and make ATC or greeting cards too. And as you can see, the same idea can be altered slightly, and you can use doilies, mine are coffee dyed, or a lace and different kind of silk ribbons, and the choices are endless. I am using vintage papers and some vintage style prints, but you can choose any paper and ephemera you like. Prima scrapbook paper would be brilliant with a Christmas ephemera for this idea too. So here's how I am going to do it. I'll put this aside now. I am going to use these tags and attach the vintage papers to these. Then I am going to cut the papers, of course, and make them look a bit neater. And after that, I am using this Finnabair Iris Tapestry stencil with modeling paste. I think pastes would go perfectly with a holiday theme, but I say you could choose, a gold, silver, or pearly white, for example. But because I want the tags to be vintage ones, I chose more subtle modeling paste. And after letting the paste dry, I am going to add a layer of heavy gesso, this one. Because otherwise this vintage paper would absorb all the paint I'm going to add after the gesso. So it will be a primer I am using, and after adding a soft layer of it, the paint will react as I want them to do. And so the next layer will be, trying to concentrate on two things seems sometimes to be impossible for me. Okay, so after the gesso, I am going to use these impasto paints, dark chocolate and pitch black, to create the vintage look of these. And after that one, I am going to decorate the tags, and as the final touch, add some golden dragon effect paste, snow white impasto paint, and vintage gold wax, and the tags are finished. So I'm going to start now. Okay, you can see quite clearly now, I think, why I want to use gesso over a vintage paper before I add any paint on it. When there is gesso, it will stop this uneven dark thing to happen, and the finish will be more what I want it to be, a subtle, maybe a bit light vintage look, not necessarily very dark moody thing. Okay, here are the finished tags, and as you saw, it really is a quick process to create these. And if you are really in a hurry, of course you could, for example, skip the stencil part, and if you don't have stencils and modeling paste, or you know, any kind of icing paste, really, it's okay. You could for example, if you use Prima scrapbook paper, there is some beautiful patterns in there from the start, so it would be not necessary anyway. And then of course you can skip all the laces, but they are my they are my things, so of course I wanted to add them here too. And you could use, for example, photos of your children, or photos of your cat or dog, or anything that you want to decorate your tags with. But the idea is easy one, and it really you will soon get the knack of it, and find out, for example, that if you want to make several tags, you want to maybe make them in series, because the painting part is takes almost the same time if you make 1 or 10. So here they are, and I wish you a happy, inspired and sparkling December, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.